Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to export your design as a PDF in Figma. So let's get started. So before that, if you want to watch the entire tutorial how I created this login screen, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. So now let's continue with the video. First thing, to the left, just click on your frame, and now to the right, if you scroll down, you'll be having option called as export. And by default the exporting format is going to be PNG. Just click on this drop down and change this to PDF. Now just click on export and you can just save this now. So I'll just go to downloads, let me name it as iPhone 8 design and save it. And if I go to my downloads, I'm having here iPhone 8 design, which is a PDF, and if I open it, I'm getting the design in a PDF format. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming, AI tools as well as Figma. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.